Chicago Public Schools are back in session from winter break, and with a new COVID-19 variant on the rise, the district is trying to prevent the spread of the virus. Our Alyssa Donovan is live in North Center with more. Alyssa?
Yeah, Ray and Dina, Chicago Public Schools taking several measures to ensure that students are safe from the spread of COVID-19 as they returned from winter break today, asking parents to have their students do an at-home COVID test before they walked back into the classroom.
To each his own, right? I mean, I personally, the kids were healthy. They weren't around anyone who was sick or anything like that, so I didn't feel it was needed to test them and to have them come back. I'm sure if they would have been sick, I would have been considerate and done that.
Diane Diaz feels right now parents should do what they think is best for their kids. While she did not feel testing was necessary for her 3 children, she saw the value in the request made by Chicago Public Schools. The district sent out notifications asking students to do an at-home COVID-19 test before returning to the classroom.
I think it's just kind of a reminder that this isn't necessarily, over 100%. So I think it's cool, just a little nudge, like, hey, just in case you forget, this is still going on. So if your kids are sick, just do, whatever you think is morally best to do to keep others and the ones that are around them safe.
We did our part. Yes, we did.
Chiquita Jackson is a custodian at Audubon Elementary. She says her staff spent winter break disinfecting the school.
We cleaned from top to bottom. I mean, disinfecting from every little piece of furniture down to the floors, power washed bathrooms, redid the entire cafeteria, washed walls. I mean, what didn't we do?
Precautions like these coming highly recommended by doctors as a new variant, XBB 1.5, begins to race across the country.
It really emerged about a month and a half ago and has fairly rapidly spread.
The new strain accounts for 40% of cases across the U.S. right now and 75% of cases in the Northeast.
It does have a lot more mutations and it is more transmissible than prior COVID variants.
Doctors are recommending masks be worn indoors if you have any cold-like symptoms. Masks are currently optional for students at Chicago Public Schools, but the district is encouraging them. Jackson says this first day back, she noticed only a few students choosing to wear masks.
So it's optional. It's up to the parents and the students.
And CPS did share a statement with WGN this evening about some of those COVID-19 protocols that they have in place right now, saying in part Chicago Public Schools prioritizes the health and safety of students and staff and will continue to implement proven COVID-19 safety mitigation protocols throughout the district. In North Center, Alyssa Donovan, WGN News.